Hey everyone, this is Tokyo Paul 360 and welcome to another video. Today we are crossing the Tokyo rivers and we are headed to the Odaiba area. Coming up, we'll see three famous landmarks. One, the Fuji television station building. Two, the Olympic rings, so we'll see that. And finally, we'll see the famous Rainbow Bridge. You can get on at Hinode Pier, and the destination for our trip today is Odaiba, and the cost is about 500 yen or $5 US. It is easy to overlook that Tokyo is surrounded by water. Tokyo Bay is from the east, and rivers and canals flow through the metropolis into the mountain ranges. Through water sports such as jet skiing, to sightseeing and dinner cruises, let's get to know another part of the city by exploring these waterways. Today we're on just one of these many Tokyo sightseeing cruise boats. Tokyo is, in reality, a water city. The southeastern portion of Tokyo faces Tokyo Bay, and the Sumida River has served as Tokyo's seaport since ancient times. This proximity to the ocean has always drawn people to it, and you can still see many ships sailing the rivers and Tokyo Bay today. Water buses, or suijo buses in Japanese, are among such vehicles. In recent years, these one-of-a-kind boat taxis have grown in popularity, especially among tourists. These water buses do more than just transport you from one location to another. They also have breathtaking views of Tokyo like we see today. In some cases, one-of-a-kind culinary experiences come along with this experience too. Wow, this boat tour is making me feel so refreshed. Let me know how this boat tour made you feel if you went on this in the past, or let me know if you're planning to go on one in the future. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Coming up, we're going to see the Rainbow Bridge. It's right over there. And we'll see the Olympic rings. Over the water over there. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button, as it will help me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Let's try to get 1,000 likes. And subscribe to my channel for more videos on Japan. Olympic ring, Fuji television station. Oh, look, we have another tour boat. Wow! Let's just check that out. What a view. Now, some people think it's going to be canceled, but I hope the Olympics continue. Hilton Hotel, Grand Nico. Woo, great the people. Beach. That's a Odaiba Statue of Liberty. Wave the people. They're waving back. Is a digital art show. I got some videos on there. It's right around here. Team Lab, either Planets or Borderless. I forget which one. We're about to dock, so let's enjoy the docking. Fuji Television Station, Aqua City Mall, Odaiba Beach area. All great places to visit. We're docking. Hey guys, you can see more videos in my playlist section. You can see my newest videos in the newest videos playlist. You can see my most popular videos in my popular videos playlist. If you can't find what you're looking for, feel free to drop a request in the comments section. See you in the next one.